Hi guys! Welcome sa YouTube. Today is Halloween party. So, in-invite ako ng aking mga friend. This is my friend. This is from Santa Rosa, Madrid.
She didn't like to drive, but she had to.
This is also from Stuttgart. This is Nipa.
And then we live there.
From Batangas. From Batangas.
From Pasig at Quezon City. Natira ko doon.
So, apat kami ngayon dito. So, ayan ang aking costume. Ayan ang drinks namin ngayon. It's about time to drink. So, is Nipa, Pamangko. Nandito kami sa Cavite, guys. So, what can you say about my costume? So nice. You look so pretty. You look so pretty.
Rich girl. Rich.
Mag-upload ko sa YouTube ba? Okay lang ha? Okay lang ha?
Nag-ano ka sa YouTube?
Nag-vlog.
Yes.
Just tell me, man.
Yeah.
You want to stay? No matter how long you want to stay.
So this
Wala lang kami
is the owner.
Matanggap.
Yeah.